Oh, you got a sample? Oh, you came to the right place, my friend. I'll show you right now. The easiest way to do it is, let's make an audio track really quick. Boom. So if you have a sample like this will only work if you have a MIDI track. So you need to have a MIDI track, but you also need to have an instrument on it or a drum sample. You can't just have a regular MIDI track. If it's just a regular MIDI track, it won't work. You have to have it with an instrument or a drum sample, like I just said. I'll repeat it twice for you. Then what you're going to do is you're going to drag this onto that MIDI channel with the instrument on it. And then you're going to say, make a harmony out of it. And then it's going to convert it to MIDI. It's going to do its best to commit it to MIDI. And it's not perfect all the time. So there might be times where you need to tweak it. But most of the time, it's pretty damn accurate. So it's going to make a MIDI for us. Then you can double click on that MIDI. And you're just going to follow these bottom notes. And as you can see, some of them aren't there. So let's see. I'd probably take this F right here. Since it is the only note that's right here, I take that one. I delete all this. Okay, and that looks like it's all up an octave, I'm pretty sure. And now you got like, these are all the notes that you need to follow with your 808. So we'll put them on the grid, we'll legato, just to make it easy. And now you can go ahead and select all of them, press 0 to deactivate them. Put them where your 808's going to be, and then you just literally follow the notes, man. Boom. Otherwise, another way to do it is to take your 808 notes and just put it up 2 octaves. Because when you go up 2 octaves higher, you can hear the tones in the 808 more. So it's easier to tell if it's in the right scale or not.